Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am. I know I cut my hair. A lot of you guys are gonna ask me why I cut my hair, and it's honestly because I just wanted like all my dead ends to be out. Blonde hair, let me tell you, is so high maintenance. So I'm just like going through a phase, I guess. I don't know, but I really love my hair. Like, I don't know, if you guys don't like it, I really don't care. You guys are not wearing it. JK, I'm not that mean. But I just wanted to change, and you know, it's just something different. But yeah, so today I'm going to this wedding, and I thought I would have like a sit along with you guys and show you guys the products I use and stuff like that, because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys, or I feel like I haven't even, you know, done a sit down makeup video in so long. Also in the future, I'm planning to do like a 25 facts about me, because I feel like ever since I started my channel, you guys don't really know a lot about me, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. If this video, let's do a trade, okay? If this video gets 15 likes, I'll do 15 facts about me, okay? I don't know, I just made that up. But anyways, I'll just do that for you guys, okay? But yeah, enough of me talking, because I'm just being so annoying right now. Let's get into the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next slide. I'm going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Literally, I love this product so much. And I'm so excited because we're literally about to hit 500 subscribers, and I'm so excited. So speaking of products, I am going to be giving away a bunch of products to you guys just to say thank you, and like just giving back, because you guys literally supported me for so long. I didn't expect I would be like having a growing channel or like a growing family, so thank you guys so much. And so here I'm taking the MAC paint pot. It's in soft ochre. Yeah, I am gonna be doing a whole video on the whole giveaway thing, so yeah, that should be really exciting. It's gonna be my first giveaway, and we're so close to 500. Where I'm going today is actually one of my brother's friends' wedding is happening today, so I'm gonna go accompany him and his friend today, and I was invited too, so I just thought, why not just go to a wedding. Weddings are fun, it's nice, you get to dress up. So yeah, you guys, I haven't used this paint pot in so long, and I haven't been to a wedding in hella long, so it's super exciting. I haven't been to, I don't know, my cousins haven't gotten married yet. Literally, I don't know if any of my close cousins will get married anytime soon. They're just in their own world. But yeah, today I'm going to be using the KKW palette. I'm going to be using this lighter shade right here for my eyebrow. Yeah, and I'm going to take this brown color. I don't know, do you guys want me to tell you what I'm using, or do you guys want me to just talk? I've never really done this before. Maybe I'll just switch it up. Maybe I'll just talk to you guys. I don't know. I don't know, we'll see. But you guys, I just wanted to tell you that who is obsessed with the Daniel Caesar album? It literally came out this morning, and it's like genius. I love it so much. But yeah, I'm taking the brown color and putting it on my crease. I'm gonna do a wing liner, because ever since Anamika did my wing liner for the photo shoot I did with Boutique, yeah, she literally got me hooked onto wing liner. And it's so funny, she called me randomly today too, while I was trying to look for a good eyeliner, because if you guys know me, if you guys have been watching my previous videos, I never wear eyeliner. It's so rare. But she literally put me on, so that's so funny. Thanks, Anamika, for putting me back onto eyeliner. What I just put on my Underneath the brown is this peach color. You guys, I cannot use any other palette other than KKW. I try to go back to Morphe. I try to go back to Anastasia. And Kylie and Kim's palette is what I lean towards. Like, I don't know. Like, I cannot use any other color. I mean, any other palette other than theirs. There you go. Then I'm going to take that same lighter color that I picked up. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Actually, I lied. I'm going to take the same lighter color. And then I'm going to take this beige color and mix both of it. And just put it all over my lid. Just to elongate my lid. Actually, JK, not all over my lid. I'm just gonna put it right there because I just feel like putting it right there. And that's so funny. I feel like I don't even do half of the makeup things that I do anymore after Anamika did my face because I learned so much from her. She's really talented. Like, she's so good. And if you're watching this, hey girl, I'm gonna see you soon. Yeah, and for my brows, super normal, same thing as I always do, and it's gonna be the Benefit brows. First, I'm gonna take Precisely My Brow by Benefit, and I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows. Do you guys like this type of video more better versus like the ones I used to do before my like hella back in the day? I don't know. I feel like this is more comfortable and it's more homey. Like, I feel like I like this vibe. If you guys don't know me, I'm all about the vibes. I'm gonna take Browzings. You guys, this is like my third or fourth Browzings. Literally. I don't know why I love this so much. I would try Anastasia again, like for brows, because everyone raves about it. But I don't know, I'm not the type of person to try new things. Like, I don't like trying new things. I can't get into the hype. It's weird. Like, even when Tarte Shape Tape came out, I tried it 1 year after. Like, I don't know, I'm just not about that. But yeah, I picked up this CoverGirl gel eyeliner. Literally, it's so new. I haven't tried it, but I just got it from CVS. I haven't done eyeliner in so long, and I haven't done it on camera in so long, so pray for me that I fucking get this. Hold on. I'm just gonna prime my lashes with mascara. And this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. This is like my favorite mascara, hands down. Okay, and then for my lashes, I just decided to wear Lilly lashes in the style Miami. So I'm just gonna pop those on real quick. And I'm gonna mix a concealer. I'm gonna put Born This Way right here. I'm just going to put a little bit of the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer on top because I really like the consistency a lot. Just like nice and thick. This is my trick when I do eyeliner sometimes. I like grab some of the concealer and I just like cut it. So it's like nice and sharp, see? To bake my face, I usually take the my KKW one, but since I got tan, like as you can see, like my face looks so white. I'm gonna go back in with my Sacha Buttercup. If you guys are OG watchers, you guys know I was literally on this like in 2016. Yeah, so since I got tan, you know, I gotta balance it out. So I'm just gonna put that under my eye. Actually, I'm gonna set like a really small amount right here because I don't want flashback when I take pictures. Next, I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna take Hoola. go back with the powder and just set at the bottom. Just kind of do that. Same with here. Kind of make sure everything's even out. This is like my everyday blush. It's a KKW in Luxe. I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. I literally, it's so light, I grab, look how much blush I grabbed. Like I grab everything and I just like to smile like that and just put it like that. For my highlighter, I'm just gonna use something very subtle, and it's gonna be the Mary Lou luminizer in the Balm Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna put that on. Do you guys still use a fan brush? I feel like I'm the only one that uses a fan brush because no one uses it anymore. There you go. And then I'm gonna get it in my inner corner. Just a pop of highlight on top. I'm gonna grab Hoola and just have like a subtle type of look like that. Kylie Cosmetics in the color Allergic to Bullshit. Like that dries out so beautifully. And then I'm just gonna grab like a big brush like this and just make sure everything is just, you know, blended out. I feel so like different with my short hair. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this type of content because I feel like I never really sit down and talk to you guys. So yeah, I also just wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support I've been recently getting. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I did not expect that at all. Like I don't even know what to say. Like I know that's hella little, like okay 500, but like to me that's everything. So in honor of that, I will be doing a little giveaway, and I will drop a video on what I'm going to be giving away, how to enter, stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys take care. You guys have a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video, okay?